I have concerns about what's been going on here, a real disconnect I see between the board and other officials in the city and people in the neighborhood. One woman just got up today and was speaking how she's going to be consulting with her lawyer, and I've spoken to other persons who were planning to contact their lawyers or retain a lawyer to intervene in this project since it's been kept under the original suit by the judge there, or if it goes on to new things. And this went on for 3 or 4 years, or maybe the legal proceedings and then the negotiations on a possible settlement. And as you've heard from the testimony, none of the people in the neighborhood or other concerned people consider this reasonable. But in spite of long involvement, as everyone spoke at the previous hearings, went on for 18 months, no neighbors or anybody else was consulted as part of this, for this settlement. The boards do not pay attention to people in neighborhoods. They don't feel they're represented by them, and they're not.
You mentioned waivers. I would like to know what those waivers are, what the justification for each is, and also what public interest it will be served according to 5.2, page 56 of your rules and regs.
Thank you. Anyone else wishing to speak in opposition?
And that's the worst thing I really see, the problem that I've seen with this board, is the unresponsiveness. I mean, everybody's got different opinions, and I don't expect anyone to agree with all the time with myself and others. But we do have the right to expect a response. We agree with you in part, we think you're wrong for these reasons, and there's been a change, there's new people on this board, there's new leadership. That was one of the most disconcerting things in the past. We raised these issues, and we got no response. I mean, Yiddish, you say, red and sudavant, we're talking to the wall. And really, that's the way I felt here. And so I would ask the board, on this issue that I've raised, and the concern that others have shown, even if they haven't raised a specific legal issue, of this area which they pushed into a conservation easement, and under the settlement, the boundaries are withdrawn, zoning, so they don't have a conservation commission review, that the board do a full environmental study of this with botanists and zoologists, and especially looking for the rare species, at least one of which has been identified here. Last and most important of all is the sewer extension. Because you know, under subdivision law, you have to, as long as the project is tweaked and the places don't flood, so they do drainage right, and they go over all the details, you have to give them the project. And so you're just tweaking. This isn't a fair review, but you do have that when you address the sewer extension issue, because that's discretionary. You know, on subdivision law, it's not discretionary. And people down there dug into their pockets, they paid for this sewer, and you're just giving it there. You don't have to do that. I mean, why give him the sewer that destroys this extraordinary, valuable place and makes millions for them? Why is this not being, and it isn't just an issue here, it's true for Bass Ave, it's true for Hutchins Court. Why are we automatically giving? This isn't done in other places. Again, this is a political culture of Gloucester, of not raising the real issues that concern people, going through the motions and you know, tweaking it, making the minor changes and giving this project. I hope the board will answer these questions I do and listen to people and deny this project. Thank you.